Alright guys, let's do the better one of the three, the gridiron gear. These are all on sale at my hobby shop too. This was 75. Leaf workers starts at 75, and then here's only 65. So I got a good deal. So let's get into it. 18 packs, 3 hits a box. Could be a hot box. Hoping for a nice auto jersey, something like that. So let's see what we get. I've always liked gridiron gear, it's always been a good product. Here's inside a playbook. 500. But I still think the best year was 05, the first year it came out, because some of those hot boxes are so sick. Steve Young, Performers, at 250. Let's have a nice patch, something. That Jake Long patch is pretty nice. Could have been a better player, but, you know. DJ Hall rookie, base. Matt Flynn rookie, not a bad one. Never played though. Aaron Rodgers in there. Got a Next Generations Chad Henne jersey at 250. It's for sale, a trade. Alright. All base. There's all base pack. Got so much space today. This pack looks super thick. Maybe I could be wrong. Yep, was wrong. McFadden timeline players at 500. Semi Ball Performers 250. Get something nice. Base, I love base. More base. My cards are falling over here. Hold on, guys. I tried to go in there and buy some high-end stuff, but he was all sold out of that, so I just bought a box of low-end. Aaron Henderson, well, not really low-end, just mid-range. Low-end. Next Generation Jake Long, 500. Looking for 2 more hits. Oh, I thought that was one right there. Westbrook Playbook, 500. Here's an, oh, it's a pull out. Matt Forte pull out autographed jersey. Oh man, 7 of 100. That is nice. Size number 2. There's a measure right there. One a case, I'm pretty sure these are. That was a nice hit. Kind of made up for the other 2 boxes being not so good. Mario Aradia, can't pronounce his name. Base, 2 packs left, 1 hit. So we got Reggie Bush. It's a patch, I think. Yep, 6 of 50, 1 color patch, Reggie Bush. It's got a lot of stitching on the sides of it. 1 color, not bad. Last pack, we got former Brett Favre at 500. Alright guys, thanks for watching everything. And I guess it's a pretty sick card, I think. That Matt Forte. Probably go on eBay. But it's pretty sick. Alright guys, thanks, peace.